Physical trainer Jason Buju Henry has been appointed as the new head coach of five-time Premier League champions Harbour. Henry replaces longtime coach Ludlow Bernard, whom he had been assisting over previous seasons.
Jason Henry is known more as a physical trainer as well as a strength and conditioning coach, for which he holds a master's degree. He has worked in that capacity with the national men's and women's teams and was the head trainer when the Reggae girls qualified for their historic FIFA World Cup debut in France 2019. But not many would have seen him becoming the head coach of a local club. However, Harbour are taking their chances with the CONCACAF B licensed coach.
My experience of being around high quality coaches from the national program, I've learned a lot from them. Meeting other top coaches around the world whenever I get the chance to travel also, they share a lot of content. For me, applying it to a group that I know, it won't be so hard, but the decision that I make now, that's what counts.
Henry says he will not be doubling up as coach and physical trainer at the club.
Now being an head coach and upgrading my coaching license, just like how I upgrade my strength and condition license, I now become even more marketable. Because now if you're going to look at the wider scheme, most of those strength coaches in the top leagues also have at least a UEFA B license. So they have to understand how the game is played and how they can help those athletes in the weight room or running on the pitch.
Last season, Harbour struggled throughout the league, finishing just above the relegation zone. But Henry says the main reasons for that were indiscipline and a lack of a prolific goal scorer, something the GC Foster lecturer says he's equipped to sort out.
Me being a lecturer also, that will also help me how to cope with both discipline and indisciplined players, because that's a part of the teaching job too. And we do that every day right here, dealing with indisciplined students. So I think I have that external education background to help me deal with indisciplined players both on and off the pitch.
And if he can sort out those problems, then the objective for the season should be within grasp.
Once you're coaching at a certain club or certain clubs, and Harbour is one of them, the magnitude that the club comes with, winning the league, is on their agenda. And therefore that is also on my agenda too. But my short-term objective is to make sure at the end of the regular season we are in the top 6, and then we will move on to our next objectives.
The new Premier League season is tentatively set to kick off on September 15 with the proposal for a 3-round season instead of 2.
And the news reaching our sports desk is that Fraser has tendered his resignation at the 5-time Premier League champions Harbour FC with immediate effect. It's understood that Fraser, a former national player, feels slighted by the decision to promote physical trainer Jason Buju Henry to the post of head coach. Fraser had been assistant to the former head coach Ludlow Bernard for 5 years, and he played professionally for 15 years. St. James Sharps are the third team to have